You are currently being robbed, not of your money, but of your future. If you feel stuck, watch this video to stop the thief living in your head. There is a thief living in your head, and he is robbing you blind. You see the person you could be. You feel the ambition burning in your chest. But when it's time to work, you freeze. You are ambitious, but you are stuck. It feels like you have a Ferrari engine, but the parking brake is locked. You think you are lazy, you think you lack discipline, but that's not true. It's actually a biological war between your logical brain and your primitive instincts. The primitive brain, let's call him the monkey mind, wants one thing: comfort. Any goal that feels hard, scary, or uncertain looks like a threat to the monkey mind. So when you try to write that book or start that business, the alarm bells ring. The monkey mind hijacks the controls and forces you to seek cheap dopamine. Scrolling, snacking, sleeping, these aren't choices, they are escape pods. You feed this paralysis by obsessing over the perfect plan. You convince yourself you need to research more before you can take step one. The monkey mind loves research because research feels like work, but it carries zero risk of failure. You look at the mountain of work, get overwhelmed, and decide to do nothing. This is the ostrich effect. If I can't do it perfectly, I won't do it at all. So how do we defeat the monkey mind and actually start? We have to use psychology against him. We need to shrink the monsters. Step 1. Make the task so small it would be embarrassing to say no. Don't commit to a 5-mile run. Commit to putting on your shoes. Don't commit to writing a chapter. Commit to writing one sentence. When the task is that small, the monkey mind doesn't see a threat. He stays asleep. This is the physics of productivity. Objects in motion tend to stay in motion. The hardest part of any task is the first 2 minutes. The friction is all at the start. Once you start, momentum takes over. You usually finish what you start. This is the 2-minute rule. You have permission to quit after 2 minutes. But you won't, because the pain of starting is gone. Step 2, design your environment to fight the monkey. If you rely on willpower to resist temptation, you will lose. Willpower is a battery that drains throughout the day. By 6 p.m., the monkey is stronger than you. So, remove the choice, hide the phone, unplug the TV. Make the good habits easy and the bad habits impossible. If the monkey has to work hard to get his distraction, he will give up. Humans are water. We flow through the path of least resistance. Create that path. Step 3, the Seinfeld Strategy. Don't break the chain. Visual progress releases dopamine. It feels good to mark that X. This way, even the monkey mind receives a reward for the work done. Remember, progress is messy. It is not a straight line. You will have bad days. You will slip. The monkey will tell you, "See, you failed. Just give up." Ignore him. Missing once is an accident. Missing twice is a new habit. Never miss twice. Get back on the horse immediately. Finally, change your identity. Stop saying, "I'm trying to write." Say, "I am a writer." Writers write. Runners run. When you change how you see yourself, the monkey stops fighting you and starts following you. Your ambition is a fire, but a fire needs air to breathe. Too much pressure suffocates the flame. Small, consistent actions are the kindling. Keep adding kindling, and soon you will be unstoppable. The view from the top is worth the struggle. Even your lazy brain will thank you in the end. So stop watching this video. Pick one thing. Do it for 2 minutes. Go.